In this video I'll be showing you how to use the Autowatch 650 Caravan alarm system. We get the fob with the alarm and it has one button on it that's used. Press that button once, you get one beep which confirms that the alarm's armed. Press it once again, you get two beeps to confirm the alarm's disarmed. This particular Caravan comes with the manual immobiliser system fitted, so if you can't find the alarm fob but you have this to hand, you can disarm the alarm using a socket above the control panel in the Caravan. It will only disarm the alarm, it will not arm it. That's how to use the system.